Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to prepare paneer the easiest way. And yes, it's going to be softer and cheaper than the ones you get maybe from a milk parlor or a grocery store. Also, along with paneer, you'll get whey protein as a byproduct which has a huge market value in bodybuilding, which we'll get back to later in this video. Now let's talk about the preparation of paneer. The first step of the preparation is to boil the milk of any quantity, doesn't really matter. And when it starts boiling, keep adding vinegar or lime juice till it curdles. The quantity of lime juice or vinegar will depend on the quantity of the milk taken at the first place. And the main point of observation will be the curdling of milk, which is when you stop adding vinegar or lime juice. Approximately, I would say it will take about 2 tablespoons for a liter of milk. The next step of the process is to drain the curdled milk solids using a muslin cloth, followed by the process of washing the paneer with water so as to remove all the vinegar or lime water residues from the product, because that's not what we want. We want pure paneer. Once you've washed it thoroughly, set the paneer by pressing it with the help of a hard object, transfer it to a plate, and cut into cubes of any size according to your need. And that's it, guys. Here we go. Homemade paneer is ready, which is way softer than what we get in the stores. Now let's talk about the byproduct, whey protein, which is contained in the water that's left out after extracting the paneer. Whey protein has a very high market value in bodybuilding industry as it helps in quick recovery of the muscles, thereby playing a huge part in muscle hypertrophy. It's good for digestion as well. Now you might be thinking, if it's so easy to get whey protein from milk, why is it so expensive? So the problem here is that 200 ml of the liquid contains only 2 gram of whey protein, and an average bodybuilder consumes minimum 24 grams of whey protein in a day, which is why it's not feasible to produce whey at home, and which is why whey proteins are so expensive. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this easy method of preparing paneer at home. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.